Hello there, beautiful traders. My name is Desmond Moran, and I am back on this channel to for a weekly outlook. Okay, because now, guys, you need to understand that this is a segment of my YouTube channel that I have actually dedicated for weekly outlooks. So I come on here and then I share trade ideas for the coming week. I share with you potential ways that we could obviously make money off of the market. Then I tell you what I'm currently looking at and what I'm expecting moving forward. Okay, so once again, guys, my name is Desmond Moore, and also, guys, you need to understand I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible. Okay, so you guys play a very big role. You guys play a very big role. I keep getting DMs on Telegram, on WhatsApp, on Twitter and Instagram, but before I actually get to it, other messages come in and then just push everything down, and it makes me feel bad when someone texts me and then I open that DM and then I'm seeing a message from them last 3 months. Okay, so please leave a comment on what you'd like me to help you do. Okay, in terms of this video or personally or in terms of trading. Okay, just leave a comment on what you'd love to get from me the next time, so I know how to tailor my videos specifically for you, tailor my content, and then put you into consideration. Okay, so once again, guys, my name is Desmond Moore, and welcome to this particular segment of my YouTube, where obviously it's dedicated to weekly outlooks. All right. So actually, before I proceed into the nitty gritty and the actual content of this video, I'd like you to do just two things for me, okay? Because now you need to understand I'm on a mission to help as many traders as possible, and you guys play a significant role in that, okay? By liking and subscribing to my channel so that it gets viral, and then other traders they're struggling because you never know, people are struggling and but they are just keeping quiet, okay? So help them, so that YouTube can recommend the video for them and then they go watch and then I get to save lives. All right, so in 5 seconds, guys, just kindly give me a subscribe and then like the video. So in five, in four, in two, three, one. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and let's dive in. So the first thing I have on my list here is the S&P 500. You guys know I'm big on indices here. I'm big on major indices. So one thing that you need to know about the indices is that it loves to trend up. Loves to trend up. Okay. You rarely catch indices trending downwards. Rarely. It's never trended downwards. Always, up. So and the most realistic way for you to go about your analysis, and guys, you need to understand that I have broken down the forex trading into two aspects. So we have the technical analysis and then we have the trade execution. Okay, and the moment you're not doing properly, you're not doing a good work, a good ton of work, a good ton of work on your technical analysis. Even if you get your trade entry strategy properly, get it precise and correct, you're still gonna kiss your account goodbye in the long run, because now you're gonna get the direction correct. However, you're not gonna be able to make much money on that. Okay. Then on the flip side, inversely, if your technical analysis game isn't top notch, okay, and then your trade entry is top notch, same thing is gonna happen to you. Now you're gonna have a very good entry strategy, but now you're gonna be trading in the wrong direction. Okay, so both cases, kiss your account goodbye. Okay, that's why I typically recommend that you start your analysis. I have no business with you. You see all this FFK, FEG, ICT, SMC, blah blah blah. I don't have any business with that. The key thing, there are two things that actually help you, which I've spoken about. So higher time frame directional buyers. Then even if you want to make your trades on 1 hour, on 1 minute, 5 seconds, 5 minutes, whatever time frame you like, that is entirely up to you. My point is this: always get the direction correct, okay? Because now you stand a better chance of making money if you go with the big boys. So what we have right before us here is S&P 500, and we've been on a bullish run, okay, over the last couple of years. We've been on a bullish run. So now I can see a break and retest here, okay. Although this is where the demand level is. The demand level is somewhere around here. Because if I pull my fibs like this, hold on, okay, so if I pull my fibs like this, the demand level is somewhere around here. So I won't be surprised if the S&P 500 decides to maybe drop from there and come here. I will not be surprised at all. Okay, because you need to understand that the market also moves from one particular level to the next key level, from one key level to the next key level, which I have explained in my previous video. So if you want to learn how we plot these levels, kindly just check my previous video, and also you check the link in the description. It's going to bring you to my Telegram community where you meet other traders like me that make a killing. Okay, killing from the market. All right. So what we have here on S&P 500 is I can see a little. I see some sort of inverted shadows forming here. So I mean, it's quite conflicting because now this is looking like a break and retest, and then at the same time it's also looking like an inverted shadow. So for me, I won't be doing much on the S&P 500 long term. Okay, what I like to see is for us, if we are going up, I need to see us break weekly. Actually, let me just scroll down to the weekly so you guys can see this properly. I like to do my analysis from the very top all the way down, which is what I recommend you guys do. So for me to be interested in this guy here, now two things have to happen. Okay, I need to see us. Hold on. I need to see us take out this major level here. Then so a daily candle or weekly candle bullish engulfing break and close here. We scale down to 4 hour time frame and then look for entries and buy S&P 500 to this point here, and then the reverse. If indeed we are heading down, we have to break this counter trend and then break this bad boy here. Once you're able to take out this level and this level, I'm good. We start selling to this guy. Obviously, first level target here, then overall level target here, and that's what I think on about the S&P 400 moving forward. Next thing on my list will be guys. Let's talk about oil, okay? Because now there is the recent development in the world is killing a lot of people, man. It's killing a lot of traders. I won't even lie, man. Their accounts are really negative. So on the oil, last year I was gunning for a lot of 53 downside. I was actually looking at getting, so my overall take profit for oil shorts were somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. As you can see, I left my bar there for a reason. So I've been short this guy from here, been selling this guy from here. Okay, I've been selling, 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 selling. So I had this bearish engulfing candle break and close on the weekly time frame. So I was expecting us to pull back and then maybe continue dropping. However, that isn't happening. That isn't look like it's happening. Okay, you need to understand. I had my trend lines here like this. So I was waiting patiently. A lot of people went short here. People went short here. You see, this is why I always recommend that people say do what you have to do. Okay, do what you have to do. You know where you're headed in trading, in this trading business. You know your goals, you know your plans. Do not shy away from doing what you have to do, otherwise you're going to get burnt. One thing about the market is this: the market will keep, see, you see the mentorship fee that you have ready to pay to that particular person, that wants to teach you. The market is going to take it from you. And one thing about the market is that it doesn't have a particular cap, it just keeps taking. The mentor has a cap on $100, $200, $500, $50. The market doesn't have a cap. It doesn't have a particular fee. It just keeps collecting. So it is in your best interest to find your mentor who's going to teach you, but not only teach you but also walk you hand in hand. Okay, so I was expecting us to collapse, into this trend line and then bleed to the downside. However, that isn't happening right now. Now we have actually pulled back, and also recent happenings. Now we have OPEC and the Saudi Arabia being the number one major contributor to the global oil. Okay, so now they've announced a cut, okay, in their supplies. So now what is going to happen now for the oil is that oil prices are actually going to rally to the upside, because now you need to understand scarcity brings more demand. Okay, scarcity brings more demand, and when there's more demand it gets more expensive. So this is actually heading, so for me, I would, for short-term trades, okay, you guys need to know that I'm a swing trader. So for short-term trades here, I'll be looking at this particular level here, this manual level, to get taken out. Once I see I've taken out this particular level here, and I can now come and, so daily candle or weekly candle break and close bullish engulfing here. Scale down to 4 hour time frame, look for pullbacks. Okay, so it's gonna look like something like this. Let me just break this. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this. We break above here, pull back. When the market is about to bounce, you hop on, ride it all the way here. Okay, so that's that about oil. So let's move on to actually I forgot to quote the figures. It's 75. So a bullish engulfing daily candle or weekly candle break above $76 per barrel. We're actually seeing oil at $82 per barrel, providing that we actually break and close above here and then pull back and then bounce off. All right. If you want to know, once again, if you want to know how we actually do these things, kindly come to my Telegram community. You see like-minded traders. The link to the channel is in this description. Also, I use the best broker. This video is actually sponsored by Xness. So if you're new to the game or your broker is stressing you out, kindly click on the link there. You see my Xness link. They click on the link there and get your deposit bonus, tighter spread, and 24/7 customer support. Easiest deposit, easiest withdrawal. They support crypto any country you're actually trading from. You can use Xness. All right. So let's hop on to GPUSD. GPUSD has been getting on my nerves, guys. This is the most annoying pair I've ever seen this particular period. But not to worry, it's still a pair. So long story short, this was what I was expecting the cable to do. I was expecting the cable to collapse, after, because now this is looking like a head and shoulders pattern. However, this particular right shoulder is not giving. It's not looking like it wants to give up. All right, it seems like it wants to rally. So I mean, that's the that's market business. Okay, so now I'm waiting patiently. Now two things are likely to happen. I'll only be interested in GBPUSD if I see a break of this level and this trend, like counter trend line here, and this minor support here. Then I'll be diving into the cable for short. Or if I see a break above this particular supply level here, I see a break and close above, then I can scale in, and then this could be a full scale reversal to the upside. That's that about the cable. Nothing much. Let's move on to the Euro USD real quick before my time lapse. So yeah, similar thing for the euro, but this is looking like a break and retest. Clear case. You need to understand that the market has been dropping. If you need to see a more detailed video on how I get these levels, check my previous videos or come to the Telegram community. It's a win-win for you other ways. So we had like a clear break and retest here, and then I was actually supposed to go long on this guy. I was just supposed to go long on this guy. However, I didn't because I was filming. I was filming a commercial for Stanbic Bank. And guys, you need to understand I also have other businesses that I run. So this was a clear case of break and retest, and I was supposed to go long here and then take my profit here. Or that didn't happen. Okay, and that's how it is sometimes. So for me, moving forward, I'll be interested in the euro if I see that we've cleared this level here or we've pulled back down into these points. Okay. However, as it stands, I'm not really interested because now the market could rally all the way to the upside. And also, one thing you need to understand is that the euro is the inverse of DXY, the dollar index. All right. So what else? What else? What else? I like to save the best for. Actually, let me just hop on to the DXY. Actually, let me speak about gold. Gold. Someone asked me to speak about gold. Yeah, so gold, nothing much on gold. I would advise that you steer clear of gold, because now we have hit a major resistance, and this is looking like a triple top. However, with recent developments of the Western world trying to ditch the dollar, and you guys know if the dollar is strengthening, the gold will drop. Okay, if the dollar is weakening, the gold will rally. So this is like a safe haven for people as we speak. So now I'll be interested in gold if I see two things taken out. Okay, as you can see, I plot my levels nicely, and then I go about my business. There's no time to stick to the chart all day. So if we do break above this key resistance level here, we are coming here. Okay, we are coming. Why? The why I say so? Because of Fibonacci. Okay, so you need to understand, guys. Hold on. Is shit. Yeah, so because of Fibonacci, guys, this is where we are most likely gonna be heading to. Okay, so this was there exactly. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this once again. If you want to learn how to use Fibonacci, check my previous video. I think I dropped that video last week. check it out. So yeah, that's that for gold. I'll be interested in gold if we break above this guy, or if we break this support level here. That's all for gold. Let's hop onto USD JPY real quick. Nothing much on USD JPY if you ask me. If you ask me, I haven't seen any promising opportunities. However, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Okay, same thing for the USD JPY. You see the dollar is pulling back significantly, and then the USD JPY is also pulling back significantly. And then I can recall one time I came here on as a January to break down this trade call for you guys. I told you guys that the first level target was going to be here. However, no, we've made money from here to here, okay, and that's fine. And it's okay. The market, if the market is going to move from point A to point B, it's not going to move there in a linear format, okay. There'll be pullbacks. So long story short, we went long here, and then we hit first level targets here, and the market moved back significantly. So for me, I'll be interested in the in USD JPY if and only if we come and clear this particular supply level here. Okay, once we clear this particular supply level here, I'm going to be going long on the um USD JPY. Okay, daily candle break and close here bullish and engulfing, scale down to 4 hour time frame and look for buying opportunities. First level target 137.388, and also you need to understand that the recent happening is going to strengthen the Japanese yen. So best believe, okay, it's about to go down. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Actually, the Japanese yen could collapse. Okay, it could. I say the Japanese yen. The USD JPY could collapse, guys. It could actually collapse. All right, could actually collapse. Okay, because now you're gonna be selling against the Japanese yen. So if you're selling USD against this guy, best believe this should actually collapse. All right. So now the last but not the least, the favorite of all. Okay. Now this is the one that you're gonna make money, and kudos. Actually, a round of applause for you guys that stayed to the end of the video, because now you're gonna make money this week. Okay, this week or next week, you're definitely gonna make money. So on AED USD, simple thing. I saw a monthly bearish and go and can sorry guys, I'm so excited. I saw a monthly bearish engulfing candle break this level and close here. Then I pull back here. I was into this trade here. Weekly time frame was a bearish engulfing. Monthly time frame was a bearish engulfing. Head and shoulders pattern on the daily time frame. There was absolutely no reason not to take this trade. Okay, every single thing aligned in my favor, and trend line break here was when I entered. Trend line break somewhere around here. Okay, so my entries were there, and then stop losses were above previous structure. Entries made here, stop losses here, and then I rode this guy all the way to the downside. What these guys here. So yeah, first level target hit, and then I've taken 50% of my positions, and then I moved stop losses to break even. Okay, so I'm completely risk free. So the market could decide to do whatever it likes. I don't care. Now, how do we make money off of this present time? Now is that now we've seen a collapse and a pullback. So the market is currently pulling back into this supply level here. Okay, just testing this supply level. Now, ideally, this is a continuation pattern because it is a collapse pullback continuation. All right. However, best believe this guy could blow all the way out. That's why this guy here is my element. You see this trend line here? It's my safeguard. It protects my account. It has saved me a lot of money over the past couple of years, and it's gonna save you money if you actually know how to use it profitably or the right way. So I've seen a collapse here, and I'm seeing a significant pullback. So I'm expecting for our account, guys. Actually, let me go down to the 4 hour candle for you guys. 4 hour time frame rather. So 4 hour candle break and close out of this CTL here. Entries we made, stop losses here, first level target here. Okay, overall level target is gonna be down below. Why? Because I simply look left. However, guys, provided that we actually clear this level low, if we don't clear this trend line, there is no trade for me. Okay, I'll be seated on my hands. First level target here, overall level target, second level target here. So first level target 0.65 247, second level target 0.61963, last level target key level. Okay, so that's my time, guys. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. Once again, Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video for the algorithm to recommend it to other guys. For the last time tonight, I remain Desmond More, and thank you so much for sticking through to the end. And I'll see you guys same time next week. Bye for now.